Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to set date in Windows 11 operating system. How to do this? Let's start. Click on Windows 11 icon and find here setting gear icon. Click on it. You will find this interface. On the left side you will find time and language option. Click on it. On the right side, you will find date and time option. Now find here time zone option. Beside the time zone, you will find these option. Click on it. You will find a list of UTC. By scrolling here, you will find your country UTC. If you are not now, search on Google your desired UTC and select here your exact UTC. I am from Pakistan. I will select here UTC +5 Islamabad Karachi option. When you click on it, you will find your date has been set. Now check and verify it. Your date has been changed. Click on date and time and you can see date has been changed. Another important thing is this radio button should be on. Set date and time automatically. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you in next video. Goodbye.